Greetings. I'm going to show you just real quick what happened with this alert. Now, you'll be quick to say, well, wait a minute, that's just too simple. Hang on, just humor me. Let me show you. Okay, there was the entry at 29.82. Here comes the first target, or the second target, 20 points later at 28.72. Now we're still looking for the final target here. Still working on it. No exit signal on the chart yet. These are 5-minute candles that you're looking at. I've got it set about medium speed on the TradingView replay widget. Okay, and there we go. There's the final target, 28.57. So 29.82 to 28.57. The president's tweet certainly didn't hurt this alert, but we were in the alert. Here comes the tweet. Who's not to take advantage of it? This is just one example of our mini alerts that come out 24/7 around the clock, Logic 247. We also have the concierge trade alerts, and our latest product is the Logical Swing Trader, and you can get the first 30 days of that free. Just to start the whole journey, if you're not already at eminitrainingschool.com watching this video, wherever you're watching it from, go to eminitrainingschool.com. All we need, your name, your email address, no credit card required. You'll get access to a week chock full of stuff, from the live trading room to our indicators to our alerts, everything a trader needs, all under one roof. Come check it out. It won't cost you a dime. By this time next week, you'll be able to make a well-informed decision whether or not what we do is right for you. I promise you this, it's simple by design. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the room.